Hey, I'm meteorologist Doug Myers with the latest forecast heading into this Thursday. You can see the wide range in temperatures from north to south, and I think we're going to have that trend again for today. But it's warmer, upper 50s for many spots, maybe some mid 50s. Otherwise, a lot of areas in the 60s today, and could be as warm as upper 60s down near I-35. The biggest concern is going to be how quickly will the morning clouds clear out, and will we get a southerly component to our wind, or the wind remain out of the east? That's going to be important too on how warm it does get today. Computer model number one showing that we're generally going to be mostly sunny by 2 o'clock. You can see the clearing skies, rain staying down in southeastern Kansas out of our viewing area for today. Similar for this computer model, again, rain staying down to our south. This computer model has just a little bit more cloud cover hanging around just a few hours longer than that first one, but still has that general clearing, as we'll have mainly clear skies for most spots shortly before sunset. And so, again, that's just going to be something to monitor. I don't think the clouds will have a huge impact on our high temperatures today, but it's still going to be something where we could have a wide range in temperatures from upper 50s to mid 60s, maybe a few spots in the mid 50s, maybe a few spots in the upper 60s. It's just something to monitor. Otherwise, I will have, once again, clouds on the increase late, similar to what we had last night. But this time around, tomorrow morning, because this is a frontal boundary pushing through, may allow for an opportunity for some spotty rain showers. Not a lot. I think a lot of it stays off to our north and to our east with the heavier rainfall, but there is an opportunity for it. And we'll have decreasing clouds with late day sun, similar to today. And then once we get into Saturday, as temperatures warm up and we'll have a weak system pushing through the area, very small chance of precipitation Saturday. This model does not indicate the precipitation, but there is that chance that, depending on how early it occurs, there could be a little bit of a wintry mix within the rainfall. Maybe some snow. No accumulation though, but it's possible. So something to monitor. A quick look at our storm spotter training classes. National Weather Service will be at Minneapolis this evening. And then the next one will be Wednesday in Emporia. Next Thursday in Manhattan. So those are the next three. Again, you can find a complete list on the bottom of the page of the forecast discussion. So temperatures over the next several days. We will be generally in the 60s over these next couple of days, well, 50s and 60s. 40s and 50s Saturday, back in the 50s and possible 60s Sunday, with an opportunity for our best opportunity for rain across the area. And that rain continues Sunday night into Monday, to where as the cold front pushes through Monday, we could have falling temperatures and a possible changeover to a little bit of light snow. So let's take a look at the supercast here. Here's the European model. Again, that other in-house model that you just saw a little bit ago didn't show any precipitation at all. This has some rain increasing through the day with the European. Continuing with rain Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday night into Monday morning. And see, Monday morning, the wintry mix is maybe a county or two over west of our viewing area. So it's just something to keep in mind. So how much rain can we get through the weekend? About a 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch for many spots. So not as heavy as what it was showing earlier in the week, but still showing some decent rainfall amounts. The GFS, again, shows some wintry mix north of I-70 on Saturday, increasing with rain as temperatures warm up through the second half of the weekend. And then by Monday morning, now we're starting to get a little bit of wintry mix already in the Concordia area, or at least the, I should say, northwest Cloud County. But it's a lot closer. So which means the cold front may come in a little bit quicker. So it's just something to monitor. A little bit lighter rain with the GFS over the weekend compared to the European. So just something to be mindful of. Let's take a look at our snowfall amounts. Again, it's not going to be much through Sunday and even through next week. Maybe some minor accumulation. It'll probably be closer to a trace versus a 1 inch in our northwestern communities. And then the GFS, again, very similar. I'm not too concerned about it, even if we were to get winter precipitation, but it is something to watch for. Otherwise, taking a look at our extended outlooks, probability of below normal temperatures will be with us in the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlook, and probability of above average temperatures, especially as we get in the 8 to 14 day outlook and the 3 to 4 weeks. So the 6 to 10 does dry out just a little bit, and that's why we have dry conditions Tuesday through Thursday, although I can't rule out some precipitation Wednesday. We'll keep an eye on that. But with Royals home opener next Thursday, that's not too bad. Looks like a pretty seasonal day, although a bit breezy. Speaking of winds, wind gusts on Sunday near 40 to 45 miles per hour with the rain and possible thunderstorms. At least at this point in time, I'm not expecting severe weather, but it's that time of year, so we'll keep an eye on it. Keep checking back in for the next couple days on updates on that. In the meantime, have a great day.